Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. I just wanted to check in with you to provide you with a few important updates for our course. You may have noticed that over the weekend I did post the research design topic assignment. If you didn't answer the survey that was located in the beginning modules of the course, I did assign you to a topic. If you have strong concerns about the topic you've been assigned to, please contact me right away by email. Otherwise, you can go ahead and start working on the presentation. This presentation will start in the discussion forum on March 5th. The information on how to do your presentation is located in the Getting Started module under Start Here. If you look at Presentation, that'll bring you up some information right here about what you should be doing to cover your topic. The first thing that I wanted to update you about. The other thing that I wanted to mention was that your research topic proposal assignments have been graded and they've been returned to you. I did return them with feedback in what's called track changes in Word. I'll just kind of show you an example here of what I mean by track changes. This is a sample document here. If you see here under where it says start on the home tab, this is where you'll normally open your document. If you click on this review tab here, then that will show that right now you're showing the original document. If you click on the drop down menu and select all markup, then that will open up my comments to you. You can see where I make suggestions to add things, or I make comments about what you might consider doing to improve your paper. If you were not happy with the grade that you got on your paper, or you would like additional feedback or guidance moving forward, please contact me by email, and I'm happy to set up a time to talk with you, or we can chat over it through email messages. The next thing I wanted to talk about was just some items that I added to week 4 and 5. I know that everyone is working on your literature reviews right now. So the literature reviews, I believe, are due, let's see here. Literature review is due February 19th, so that's coming up soon. If you're still struggling with getting literature, please contact me. I'd be happy to help you find information on your topic. And if you're found enough literature, but you're having a hard time maybe putting and synthesizing that literature together, I did add an additional overview PowerPoint on how to write your literature review. That's this one here. So if you go and take a look at that presentation, I did put in some additional tips for you on how to not only write your review, but how to evaluate your sources, and thinking about drawing a literature review map, some different types of reviews, and then some tips here for how to conclude your review. Remember that when you're finishing up your literature review, you not only want to tell people what, a summary of the themes that came out of the literature, but then you also want to suggest what's missing in the literature. Once you suggest that, the last thing you want to do is end with a clear statement of the purpose. So sort of saying, now that I've told you the major themes that are apparent in the literature on this topic, and I've identified what's missing, now I'm telling you that the purpose of my study is this. So as you see here, there's an example in this slide. So you can check that out. If you're still having trouble with finishing up your literature review, you can certainly contact me, but the information here provided here for you could also be something that's helpful to you. I believe that's all I have for the update for you for this Tuesday. I hope everyone is doing well and you're staying on track. Looks like everybody has finally finalized their topics, and you should be moving forward, digging into the literature and summing it up, and getting ready to submit that literature review assignment. I hope you have a good rest of your week.